Hi guys, welcome back to Extension's YouTube channel. We used to be stylists, now we're suppliers of raw Indian hair extensions. We've created this channel to bring you tips and tricks on how to use and care for your hair. It's time to raise your hair standards. Today's video, we have for you clip-in extensions using our Indian hair. All extensions are made in-house. We're gonna start with the usual, a nice shampoo, condition. This will be a good time to remind you to hit subscribe, like our channel, and feel free to leave a comment. Let us know what else you would like to see. A pro tip, some clients will require 2 to 3 lathers. Make sure the hair is nice and sudsy. Really clean that scalp, front, back, sides, and the hairline. Rinse thoroughly. I'll meet you at the chair. Just the usual process here. We're gonna detangle, blow dry for sleekness. She's going for a straight look today. After we blow dry, hit it with a cool setting. Pro tip, we only use a little serum and leave-in conditioner. Right before the flat iron, we're going in with a little edge control wax stick to press out her edges. Then with a big flat iron to press out the rest of her hair. We used 1.5 inch flat iron, titanium plates of course. It helps the hair look nice and shiny and smooth. Another pro tip, please note that the blow dry assists the flat iron, not the other way around. If you get a nice straight blowout, you will have a nice straight press. As you can see, our model today, Nikki, has very thick hair, and we have custom colored her hair and extensions. Here we have a 5-piece set. Our clip-ins come in sets of 3, 5, and 7 pieces. Nikki has a 5-piece set, which is equivalent to about 1.5 bundles of hair. We take that first track, measure it from ear to ear, and clip it in. Also take note, the parts don't have to be perfect. They just have to be straight. It works as a guideline to lay your clip-in extensions. And as you can see how secure the clip-ins are, we can flat iron the clip-ins and they're not budging. Also be gentle, don't be rough with your hair. We're going to do this process 3 more times. Let's watch. Another pro tip with this section, these 2 clips we're going to overlap in the back. As you can see, I just laid that one right over top of the second one because you always want it fuller in the back to blend with her natural hair. So pretty, such a good color. We did add her other 2 pieces in the front off camera. This is the full look. We have it straight, 2 brighter money pieces right in the front section on each side. Turned out beautiful. She loves it. Gorgeous hair. Very easy, very quick. Coming next week, a partial sew-in video, a few tips, a few tricks. Thank you for watching. This video was sponsored by Grape Studio Hair Salon. We want to thank Ghettdeaux Productions and Photography and our model, Nikki. You made it to our bonus footage, and if you've made it this far, we'd like to tell you you can purchase these hair extensions at ascensionextensions.com. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.